Hello friends, hope you liked my first video where we discussed on the questions that come in mind of a salaried individual. We covered one topic there, which is house rent allowance or HRA. If you want to see that video again, you can see in the link above. In this video, I am going to cover some basic terms which come in mind of when you're talking about income tax. First is the organization structure. See, in India we have three lists: union list, state list and concurrent list. In union list, power of central government is defined, while in the state list, power of state government is defined. Concurrent list has combined power for both the type of governments. Income tax is defined in serial number 82 of union list, where it is written that taxes on income other than agriculture income. That means central government has power to tax income other than the agriculture income. So let's talk about the structure first. On the top is Government of India, जिसको मोदी जी की सरकार भी बोल सकते हो आप. Second, below that comes Ministry of Finance, leader Nirmala Sitharaman, who is the finance minister of. Below that comes the Department of Revenue, and below that is Central Board of Direct Tax or CBDT. CBDT has the power to tax income tax and is also known by the name as Income Tax Department. Now let's talk about deduction. CBDT collects income tax. We all know that. But here's the catch. How do they determine how much income tax to collect? Well, one such term relevant for that purpose is deduction. There are two types of deductions that you get from your income that you earn. One is income based deduction, second is expense based deduction. Expense based deduction, लेट्स टेक कि अगर आप लाइफ इंश्योरेंस करवाते हो तो उस लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम का कुछ अमाउंट आपको डिडक्शन में मिल जाएगा. मतलब उतना आपको इनकम टैक्स नहीं देना है, तो वो एक खर्चा करना पड़ेगा आपको उसके लिए. सेकेंड मेथड इज़ इनकम बेस्ड डिडक्शन. इसका एग्जांपल हो जाएगा कि आप सेविंग्स अकाउंट में जो इंटरेस्ट लेते हो तो उसमें अप टू 10,000 रुपीज़ फॉर एन ईयर इज़ अलाउड एज अ डिडक्शन फ्रॉम योर इनकम. All these are covered in section 80C to 80U of the Income Tax Act. Okay. Next comes gross income. Gross income is the total money that you have earned from your efforts. After reducing the deductions that I explained earlier and some exemptions, you will get a figure that is the total income or net income. Actually, you have to pay taxes on your net income, not on your gross income. Next comes TDS. Now this is a very interesting thing. As the name suggests, tax deduction at source. That is that the taxes that you have to pay will be deducted from your salary even before you receive the money in your account. Like TDS on salary means that once your tax liability is calculated, income tax will be deducted from your take-home salary and only net income will be credited into your account as salary. This money which was deducted by your employer will be paid on your behalf to the government by the employer. Next comes return. You might have heard this word many times, return. How will the department know how much taxes you have to pay? Every year you have to submit an account of the incomes that you have earned in a pre-specified format by the income tax department. Like for the year 2019-2020, you will have to submit your income tax return by 31st of July 2020. That is the July after the end of that financial year 2020. For companies, the date is 30th September 2020. However, like every year, this year also this date is extended due to COVID 2019, and now individuals submit this return by 30th of November 2020. Thank you.